America, prairie dogs also have some unexpected neighbours. Spy prairie dog discovers who these squatters are. They are burrowing owls. They make good use of any available free housing. They may be uninvited guests, but they still make the best of neighbours. The owls hunt mainly insects, so they are no risk to the prairie dogs, and they also help watch for predators. In turn, the owls use the prairie dog's alarm system, so their close relationship works for both of them. In the pupping season, the prairie dogs are on high alert, watching for danger. And rattlesnakes are one of the enemy. But this snake is another spy creature. The prairie dog sends out an alert. He has a special word for snake. But rather than panic, the prairie dogs and owls stay where they are. Theirs is a very measured response based on how dangerous the threat really is. And as Spy Snake shows no sign of moving closer, they simply keep an eye on it. There are plenty of other threats to be worried about. A coyote. They have their own name for it too. They shout it out to alert the whole colony. But like the snake alarm, it doesn't create immediate panic. Each chirp lasts just 1/10 of a second, but it's packed with subtle meaning so that everyone can know the nature of any threat. In fact, prairie dogs have the most complex animal language ever discovered. Nouns define the type of predator. Adjectives describe if the threat is near or far. And adverbs explain how fast it's moving. The chirps for a walking coyote are further apart and cause little reaction. The quicker chirps for a running coyote demand immediate attention. Now it's time to panic. The coyotes head off for an easier meal. When they've gone, the prairie dogs sound the all clear. Their language allows prairie dogs to stay above ground until the last possible moment, while the owls just have to watch what the prairie dogs do. Time for a traditional celebration, the jump yip.